Oh my gosh, okay. This is under $100 and you're getting quite good quality here. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Garrett and today I have these Sony headphones. These are the Sony MDR-ZX110 So, quite a long name as normal. Sony always has like the longest names in the world for their headphones, but these guys are just probably the best consumer headphones for under $100 that you can get your hands on. The reason why is they're noise cancelling, they're good quality in terms of how it's built, and they should be a joy to use for just every single day use. Let's just unbox these and see what is inside these headphones. Okay, so we have the headphones right here and we're gonna do a close-up of unboxing these and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Why bother even using a pair of scissors? You can just use your hands and just rip these right open. So this is a different sort of unboxing today. I thought I'd do it from a different sort of angle. Do a close-up just on the product itself so you guys can see what is inside, you know, get a real close-up of all the bits and pieces. So as we delve inside, we have the normal way to unbox these things. Okay, so that just slides out. These are the headphones themselves. What else comes inside? So this is the box. Has all the features, the benefits. So it comes with a plug adapter, the headphones, and the jack. Says it has 95% ambient noise reduction. All stuff like that. It's in here. Just some paperwork. These will be quite handy. The instructions. Limited warranty, 1 year warranty. And these are the headphones themselves. Nice. That's the cable. Comes with the jack. If you have new iPhones or Samsungs, mainly iPhones, they come, obviously you have adapters for those things to be able to use these, but these are mainly for people like my dad who are just going to use these on a regular basis with a laptop or their phone. No need for wireless. So it comes with a battery and the plug. Wonder what the battery's for. Let's have a look. So that's everything inside the case. So unraveling these bad boys. Nice. Yep. So guessing that plugs into there, and then that's an adapter for something. It's definitely something important, but mainly I don't think I would be using this part of it. I'll probably just stick to this, but this is good to have anyway. So we're going to put this away. It's obviously important to have. So these are the headphones themselves. Nice, good quality. The pads are very, very smooth. So like a carbon fiber band around the headphones. The cable is quite good. Let's have a look at the instructions of how these work. So you can unfold the headphones, installing the battery. That's what we want to have a look at. How easy is this to understand? So, to install the battery, click the power. You push this, apparently. Aha, that's already popped out. So that pops out. And then you put the battery in. So the plus is here. There you go, put the battery in. Anything else that we have to do before we click this on? No, all good. Just making sure. Okay, how does this work? Okay, so we put that in first and then we click this on like that. And there we go. All done. This connector is for aeroplanes. That is very, very smart. How cool is that? Right, so now they're ready to use. So what I can do is connect them to my Samsung. It's as simple as clicking in. There we go. Playing some music. And we're playing some music right now. There we go. Let's test out the headphones, see how they feel. Okay, let's put these headphones on for the first time and see what they're like. So, right here it says the left and the right, so I know exactly which ears to put on. Right, okay. Okay. So my first impressions of these headphones are, they are definitely smaller than the Audio-Technica headphones, and smaller than like these headphones, which are the Sony WH-4000. So like in terms of being comfortable, they are reasonably comfortable because they are lightweight. The pads feel like normal pads when you first get them. They're quite, they're not as soft. They are quite, not as loose as you would like them to be, but you know, for the first time wearing them, of course, they're not going to be as loose or as cushiony as you would like them to be. But over time, they should become a bit more comfortable. In terms of the headband, it feels very lightweight, like I've said. But it's definitely something you can get used to. In terms of the sound, straight away, there is a deduction in surroundings apart from my own voice. So I can hear what I'm saying, but not as loud. There's definitely noise reduction happening, which is really handy. For under $100, like the quality is pretty good, and you know, just wearing them in will help the headphones get better over time in terms of the pads and the comfortability. But like I said, they're lightweight, they're nice, so that's always a plus, especially for like when you're in an airplane or you're just using it for general life purposes, when you're going for walks and stuff, having lightweight headphones are a big plus. So definitely good for that. In terms of how they look pretty cool. And in terms of the materials, they feel pretty nice, and like doesn't feel so much plastic with like how I felt with like lower grade headphones is plastic. These don't feel like plastic, they feel like carbon fiber. I'll play some music and see how it sounds. I'm currently playing some Bullet for My Valentine. That's on my current playlist. Okay. So the high end is not as clear as I would like it to be, but the lower end is. It's very bassy, very bassy, and the mids are there, but the high end is not there as much as I would like it to be. The vocals have come in, and the vocals are very clear, which is nice. It feels very like mid-heavy. So like the EQ feels like a slope, like a notch filter. Let's listen to just whatever's on the charts right now to get like a feel of like these headphones in general, and then maybe some hip hop for some lower end, so I can give you sort of different sorts of feedback on different genres, see what fits it the best. Okay, so let's play Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. That's a lot better, I would say. Still, I can feel like the high end's gone. The low end's not as there. I can't hear myself talk right now at all. I can't hear anything else, which is a huge plus. Huge plus. So it is noise reduction. Does sound good. Okay. So like sort of midway in the noise levels. So if you turn the headphones down a little bit, just have the music on in the background, it's actually really nice to have. That's really good. So instead of having it like too loud in your ears, you're having it just nice and low, background sounds. Good for like lo-fi then. Good for calming, sort of, even when you're resting, maybe like nature sounds, rain sounds, stuff like that, like just everyday use, what I'm thinking of. Pop music, stuff like that. I can definitely feel like the bass is more present and the mids are way more present than the high end. So it's interesting. It's quite cool to test these out. Ooh, so what I've done is I've flipped the switch, and then what's happened is I've turned the power on for the noise cancelling. So I'll see what this does. Oh wow, okay. Is there a difference? There is a difference. Oh wow. Wow, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. This is under $100 and you're getting quite good quality here. So when I've turned the power on, now I'm hearing more of that high end. And I'm not getting that radio sort of filter on the sounds. It's more powerful. Yeah. There's more presence. This is great. And there's more noise reduction. I genuinely can't hear myself talk right now. These are great. For under $100. Wow. So anyone who buys this pair of headphones, just turn the power on the headphones and it's just 10 times better. It's amazing. I genuinely can't hear anything from the background. It's really good audio quality right now. Wow, I'm super happy with these. These are great. I'm listening to some hip hop. I'm listening to Lil Nas X, Industry Baby. So it's more like lower end stuff. And it's good. These headphones are perfect for hip hop. So clear. That's good quality for under $100 when you turn the power on. Oh my god, like such a difference. It's such a good quality difference. These are probably the best headphones I've ever tried on that's under $100. Hands down, because the quality of the audio, the materials, the pads could be a little bit bigger, but apart from that, just fantastic. For just a pair of headphones that you're going to use every single day, for general use, when you're on flights, when you're walking the dog, when you're just on the computer, you just want to if you're not like willing to spend like $200 for like a pair of Audio-Technica M50s or even higher for like these sorts of Sony headphones, you don't need Bluetooth headphones. 100%. Get these headphones. They're fantastic. I mean, what have you got to lose with buying something like this? It's actually 10 out of 10. Just fantastic. That makes me really happy. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening to my review of these Sony headphones. And if you enjoyed this review, feel free to like and subscribe for more. I'm sure there will be plenty of more videos to come. There are plenty of videos on my YouTube channel already. There's over 250 videos so far for you guys to enjoy. So on that note, have yourself a beautiful day and I'll see you guys soon.